Passage number 18 start. KP Chief Minister has agreed to the overall upgradation of different cadres of all government servants and regularization of all employees recruited through the National Testing Service and other such forums. Full stop. He also ordered the development of a comprehensive strategy chalking out uniform service structure for all government employees, saying the strategy should be up to the cabinet approval before being placed before the assembly for nod. Full stop. The CM was presiding over a meeting held at the Chief Minister House here to discuss different aspects of upgradation of all cadres of government servants, said a statement issued here. Full stop. KP Police Chief Salahuddin, Finance Secretary to the Chief Minister Mahmood, Secretaries of the establishment, law, full stop, administration department, law, administration departments, and other relevant officials attended the meeting. Full stop. The officials briefed Mr. Khattak about the work done on the upgradation of government cadre and posts and regularization of employees recruited through the NTS. Full stop. Paragraph. The data should be compiled the forums of secretaries committee and must reach him within the shortest possible time, the CM said. Full stop. He said his government believed in justice to the all and there should be no pick and choose in the process of delivering justice. Full stop. Mr. Khattak directed the officials to examine the financial implications of the whole exercise. Full stop. He ordered the development of a coherent study of the whole process for the service structure, making parity and collecting empirical data cleared by the Secretaries Committee for honored presentation to the legal forum. Full stop. The Chief Secretary will official to remove the flaws in the existing service structure given to the employees of different departments and take corrective measures. Full stop. He also ordered the development of a proper service structure for the employees for different departments, who are without it and constantly demanding a service structure. Full stop. My government wants to settle the genuine problems of all public sector employees through a uniform approach. Full stop. The newly recruited employees will get a wider space for vertical mobility within their structure. Full stop. It is not justice that an employee once recruited in any public sector entity swear his entire life there without opportunity for promotion. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Khattak regretted that no one there comprehend the real issue, not stayed put nor was transferred to his government. Full stop. He said his government, like settling other complicated issue, would resolve the issue of upgradation, regularization and service structure of the public sector employees with the right kind of approach. Ad hoc AD would make necessary legislation. Full stop. After the resolution of this issue, the government employees will contribute to the institution strengthening more enthusiastically and thus, giving relief to the public at large, he said. Full stop. Another statement issued here said the CM asked the Finance Secretary to prepare a comprehensive case on the dues and genuine claims of the province on net idle profit for advocacy at the Council of Common Interest full stop, presiding over a meeting on the net idle profit related issues at the Chief Minister House full stop. Mr. Khattak asked the necessary to learn about the monetary claims of the province to be cleared by different federal entities for necessary action full stop.